Let's say I have one simple line of code that prints hello. Print hello. Now, if I want to print hello 5 times, I can just copy and paste this line again and again. But this is not smart, and this becomes very difficult if I want to print it hundreds or thousands of times. Then we learned loops. Loop says, do the same task again and again. For I in range 5, print hello. Now the code is short, clean, easy, so loops solve the repetition problem. But here is the real question. If loops already do this job, why do we need functions? Here is the real problem. Now imagine, I need this same loop in many places in my program. Without functions, I must write the same loop again and again. This is still repetition, just at a bigger level. Now functions come in. See this function def say hello, for I in range 5, print hello. Call the function say hello. Now the output will be hello 5 times. Function says, write the logic once, use it anywhere. Now I just need to call that function. If I call this function 2 times, hello will be printed 10 times. So this was just the overview of functions. Now let's learn how to write a function. First, understand the idea. A function is like a machine. You give it a name. You put some code inside. You run it whenever you want. So this was just a basic idea. Now let's start how to write it. So start with def, which means define, and then function name. Let's say def my function, and a colon at last. Step 2, write code inside the function, and everything inside the function must be indented. And last step is, call the function, because writing the function is not enough. Python will not run it automatically. You must call it. So guys, let's practice some function programs. So our 3 steps were like, define a function with name, put some code inside, and then call the function with its name. So here in this function, we will get hello Python as an output. Next function, first define a function with name like greet, then write some code inside the function, and at the end, call that greet function. So here I send a name Sarah through function call. Sarah will go to name above and will be printed. So here in this function, we will get hello Sarah as an output. Last, we will make a addition function. First define a function with name like addition, then write some code inside the function, and at the end, call that addition function. So here if I send 2 values here in function calling, I will get the sum. Like 3, and I am free to add any 2 values and I will easily get the sum. Yes, you also need to save the code. So guys, here, I received the correct sum. So this was a brief overview of functions, but don't worry if this is confusing you. We will practice many challenges of functions in our upcoming challenges. See you soon my dears. Just like the video and subscribe.